We have had some questions, several questions have been posed. I know that there's a lot of discussion nationally about the concept of herd immunity and how close or how far away from it are we. And to answer that, I would just say this. Herd immunity is a concept, but what we're really asking when we ask that question is how much longer before the pandemic ends? We will get to the end of the pandemic when the virus doesn't have anywhere else to go, where the chain of transmission can't be sustained and the chain of transmission collapses. That's when herd immunity, effective herd immunity, will be reached, and that's when the pandemic will end. That's not a single point in time, and it's not a single place. For different age groups, we are approaching herd immunity. If you're over 65 years of age in Shelby County, the likelihood is that most of the people that are your peers are fully vaccinated at this point, and herd immunity has probably been achieved for those who are over 65. But if you're in your 20s or your 30s, we're nowhere close to it. In our youngest age group, only about 25% of the people who are eligible for vaccination have been vaccinated. So it's going to be a long time before we get to herd immunity for that demographic. On the eastern side of the county, more people are vaccinated than on the western side of the county. So on the eastern side of the county, we're closer to herd immunity. On the western side, we're further away from it. So there's no one single moment in time when we will reach herd immunity. But what we can say is that if you want to get there faster and you haven't been vaccinated yet, please come out and get vaccinated, because that will get us all closer to that day and that goal.